Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin Harden and my persuasive speech presentation is over preservation of women's rights. My general speech goal for today is to persuade and preserve women's rights, and my specific speech goal is to promote a safe environment for women and young girls. Would you risk your safety to make others feel better? Today I am going to discuss why letting trans women use the same public restrooms as women is a safety hazard, how this makes actual women feel, and the effects this can have on society and our younger generation. Diving into the unavoidable. Potential sexual predators are people who falsely identify as women, men who intend to harm women in some physical manner are a safety hazard. Some examples of safety hazards is the situation in Oklahoma's girls' restrooms, which includes a transgender female who freely roams into the girls' restroom and assaults two female students, which led to the students eventually leaving school. Our next example is the LA spa, where a woman and her daughter is exposed to a registered sex offender. And lastly, a trans man is attacked for using his biological restroom. Problem: the feelings of women and young girls. Women are not comfortable letting transgender women use our restrooms. And it's not a safe exposure for young girls either. The feelings of our rights as women feel rejected. Mayer's writes she was stunned and traumatized when she saw a person with a penis in the female area of the spa. She felt as if her rights as a woman were neglected and she could not defend herself or her daughter. Resulting effects on society. The resulting effects is overall confusion for society, danger and confusion for trans men and women as well. A transgender man, once a female, was beaten by a group of males when attempting to use the female's restrooms. Crazy, right? So how can we solve this once and for all? The solution is simple. Legislation change for both sides. Prohibit use of opposite-sex bathroom on a national level. The North Carolina Law 115C 47 states use the bathrooms that corresponded with their biological sex at birth. This should not just pertain to schools, but the general public as well. Our next solution is to create new bathrooms. Gender-neutral bathroom for all facilities. This will help trans men, trans women, and gender-neutral humans, further elevating safety on both sides. Analyze situation, produce alternative goals, implement plans, monitor, and repeat. The final step is to monitor and adjust for future success. Surveys for both parties is one way to monitor a current status of well-being. Quarterly or annual crime report to support goal statuses. Happiness is a choice. My conclusion summary is, in conclusion, there is an immediate hazard for both trans men, trans women, young girls, and well-being of society concerning bathroom usage. Assault can occur on both fronts, along with a decline in personal feelings. This issue is confusing, but has an easy fix. Neutral gender bathrooms are a must for health in our future society. The likeliness of physical assault can be dramatically reduced. No side will feel left out or as if their rights have been abandoned. And that's the easy fix to all of this. Thank you.